know, you want to help me kind of clean this porch a little bit?
Should I film the porch cleaning? Alrighty.
Yeah. So basically, what we're doing is we're adding on to the shop, right? It doesn't look like it. It looks like a dirty porch, but this is going to be a 3D printer assembly room. So, I mean, here I'll show you this. So this is like for the inventory and stuff. We built this like a year and a half ago. Took 2 weeks to build it. Cost like, I don't know, man. I probably spent $1,200 on it. But it's pretty solid. There's like shelves and stuff in there. But so what we're gonna do, enclose this and make it. It doesn't look like much space, but this is actually a lot of space. We could probably build like 5 printers at a time right here.
Are you gonna remove that wall section where Dale's near?
Actually, this is gonna be a different room. This is actually gonna be outside for now.
Are they gonna connect it all? Maybe by a door? Maybe?
No. Well, there's gonna be a wall right here, but there's just for a little while we're gonna have a saw right here and like a material rack.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
we're gonna put like bars of steel right there, and we're gonna have our saw. So basically.
The bandsaw?
Yeah. So the saw's on wheels, right?
That's a good idea because
we'll keep the saw underneath here, but it'll roll out. And we're gonna have rollers. We roll the metal over. They can be solid and it falls right here.
yeah.
Storage room, you know. But that's temporary. So like long term.
And that seems like a bigger way.
We have enough room. All right, so we're gonna start building like some big ass 3D printers, right? So this whole area will fit like one 3D printer. Like, I mean, it's gonna be a big printer. We want to be able to print like couches and chairs and stuff.
Wow.
Like that. So yeah.
No, but I mean, think about it.
Now Santi.
Window, and you're spending the money on it.
Yeah, because the bandsaw's thing that you'd use to adjust it was kind of like an awkward area as far as walking wise.
It's terrible. It's terrible.
Catch people's knees.
This whole space, we can build 6 printers at a time. It doesn't look like much, but we don't really need that much space.
I just think this is perfect.
So what do you think about the concrete printer?
What do I think about the concrete? We need to build it.
Yeah,
and we should already.
Santi's gonna be in charge of the concrete printer. Basically, we're gonna have like,
what is it? Squeaky wheel gets the grease.
Yeah.
I've talked about the and push.
We've been talking about names, but I was gonna call it the backyard 3D printer. Backyard printing.
No, I don't like that at all.
Oh, I love it, man.
I don't like that at all.
Backyard printer.
No, it sounds.
Put a little garage door right here. I know, right?
It sounds DIY, unprofessional. We need to sound professional so we can actually go out and get business.
You know, the first concrete printer is going to be DIY.
Well, totally.
Yeah, but
all our stuff is DIY because we are doing it. But that's not.
But I mean, it isn't just DIY. It's like, hey, we got a fucking machine shop and we know how to use it.
Right.
DIY.
Most people don't have a machine shop in their backyards. You can't say a backyard printer when we're using legitimate manufacturing techniques to make it. It's not some hodgepodge hobbyist backyard printer. So we don't need to make it sound that way either.
So Austin, hey, come up here real quick.
Alrighty.
So this is our lovely fan right here. This is where we're gonna have to cool us off when we're working on printers. No, I'm just joking. We're gonna have AC. This is gonna be AC.
Yeah, that thing's hopefully gonna be gone.
It looks pretty nice.
But so basically, we're gonna have all this crap's gonna be out here, of course. So we're gonna put shelves going all the way up for inventory, and basically there's gonna be a bunch of tables like this. Well, probably shorter because our printer is 800 millimeter long. So imagine a handful of tables like this on wheels, and they'll have like a shelf underneath it that has all the supplies. So you can pull out all the supplies, assemble it, and then when it's we'll have it in stations like an assembly line. So say one gets the frame put together, right? We roll it over, go to the next one. After the frame's put together, it goes over to being wired. It has all the electronics put in. And it goes over. It has the bed, the extruder and hot end. But and then there'll be a testing station. But it doesn't look like much room. But trust me, we're gonna make this work. I mean, we've been doing this in the garage, and as you see, the garage is pretty full. So, but we also have all this space. You know, we got the inventory storage. But it doesn't look like much, but it's a start, man. I mean, the idea is to build like anywhere from 5 to 10 printers at a time. Now that's not mass production, but for us, yeah, that's pretty good for us because we build like 1 or 2 at a time, which is very inefficient. But it's also because we've been prototyping. You know, we've been prototyping for freaking 4 years. So we actually have a final, you know, production model. And to actually bring in production, we need to build like 5 or 10 of these at a time. So that's what we're at. But I say this will probably be finished in 3 weeks from now. But this is where we're at. We're thinking about maybe extending it out a little further.
So you're gonna put a wall right here.
Yeah, there's gonna be a wall right there.
That's nice.
There's gonna be a big door. I mean, some of the new machines we have are gonna be, okay. So one of the problems, the 600X3, right? If we build that, it doesn't fit through the door, right? That's why we haven't actually built one in the house yet. Is because have you been in the house?
No.
Oh, you have? Yeah, we got 3 printers in the house too. Like a lot. You thought there was 3 printers, a lot of stuff in the garage. They're all in the house too. But anyways, like one reason why we don't have the 600X3 in the house is because once we build it, it won't actually fit through the door. Like the printer's too big. Now, yeah, we got some other stuff going on too. So this is going to be a bathroom. We have another storage. Then we're adding on to the garage. We're actually we're going to build like a front part. It's going to be basically like a steel building, like half a steel building. And then we're going to build on to the back. And then basically we're going to build a building around the garage. But tomorrow, here I'll show you this. Tomorrow we have guys coming and cutting the trees down. So we just got that old van pulled over. Bruce. All right, so we're gonna cut down this tree, pretty much all these trees. This is gonna be a parking lot right here.
Oh yes. Does Bruce do that a lot?
Yeah. Hold on 1 second.
Alrighty.
How you gonna get that?
We should probably pick up this water bottle so somebody doesn't trip and die. You know what I mean? Because I would have tripped on that thing.
You could make that.
Yeah. Make over what? Oh, like a climbing, like a raccoon, at least.
Shit again.
Yeah.
It's probably because I'm like bent down.
We're gonna feed Bruce some bologna. Is that it?
This dog.
Oh, he's trying to run away.
Listen, man. I gotta bring food.
Bruce.
Bribe him with food. Bruce.
So, Shane's got some bologna, I think, some sort of lunch meat.
Yeah, it's bologna.
Oh, I'm having the focusing problem again. Ta-da!
Ew! Dude, here it is. Oh,
Bruce is crunchy.
No. You gotta come back. Asshole. Fuck off.
got it. Here, see you throw it, dude.
Bruce is trying to attack your crotch.
He flopped though. He still got it, most of it anyway. That shit was pretty funny. Like he waited till the moment you looked over there and bam!
Also, we gotta put that in slow motion, man.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
I don't think you got the optimal angle of it, like in a cinematic sort of way. I mean, ultimately, I think a different angle would be better.
Flop to the ground.
We had a pretty good angle.
If it's closer-
Bruce, I'm all like, Austin, let's check out the front yard.
If it's from this
Hey,
angle.
hey, Bruce, he sounds like a horse fucking running by.
I told him that's what happened. He forgot he was loose.
Hey, Dale!
Videos.
It happens every now and then. He gets out like once a month.
Bruce! Bruce, are you still hungry? You're a crazy dog, Bruce. He could probably.
The gate the other day, he could open the gate whenever he wanted.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you just push it up?
No. The way the latch was, where it had come loose a little bit.
Oh yeah, and it doesn't go all the way down.
It was tight. It wasn't tight right here. And I watched him do it. He was jumping up, planting both his paws right there, and he'd pop this open and he could get out.
Oh yeah.
Should I stop filming now? Or.
Let's see. Yeah, I think we're good, man. I think we're good for right now.
So I'll get back.